Okay, so let me update. I think I am crooked. Is that better? Okay, let me update you all on my new project that I'm going to start on because I have a trip coming up soon and I just wanted to make a few pieces, not too many. Moving on, this is the pattern that we're going to work on. This is No Me 2054. It is a fabulous pattern by Kichi B Style, and we're doing the pants. Cargo pants with all these pockets with the fold over little fly, I think is so fantastic. And I'm looking at the bottom, I guess that's elastic with the little bow where you can tie it up. So fabulous. And so the fabric that I'm using, I actually got it from Hobby Lobby. Look at this. It looks like it's a cotton, I'm pretty sure. And it's the same on both sides, but it looks like a what would you call it? Like a denim that's kind of been crumpled and rumpled. It's non-stretch. It's fit, yeah, it's not stretching. I love this. And the color. Oh my goodness. I'm really excited about that. I wanted to make something kind of utilitarian that will look good. I'm thinking just like a black trench or a black leather jacket will be so cute. Just a little turtleneck, maybe some cute heels or something like that. Even, I was going to say some combat boots, like some black boots, will be super fly. And why am I thinking this wardrobe? Because we're going to Paris. I feel like that will be so super chic. Um, I want to kind of not necessarily be monochromatic. I do want to have like one or two moments, but I want to be comfortable. The last time I went to Paris, it rained every single day and it was cold. And it was 13 years ago. So that was May. I'm going in March. I think it's going to be the same weather. So we are going to prepare a little bit better. Because when I went the last time, I was wrong. I was so out of pocket. I was wearing open toed shoes and I was dressing like it was going to be 70 degrees because that's what they told me it was going to be. Because I was following the weather very closely. I mean, May. It should have been, but it wasn't. Anyway, I digress. We are prepared. We are older. We are wiser. 13 years older. 13 years wiser. And yeah, we're going to do some really nice cargo pants. So enough talk. Let's get to sewing. Let's cut the pattern.
Suspect arrested, charged, and brought to trial. Not to worry about whether he's actually guilty.
Ran out of bobbin, y'all. So, yeah, I got a lot of work done. I'm really proud of that. But it is late. It is about to be midnight. So, we're going to call it quits here. You know, those moments when you're just like, I'm done with sewing for tonight. that is one of them. But let me show you what I got done. I got a lot done. Oh my goodness. So when I ran out of the bob and I was working on my flaps that go over top of the pockets, I have 6 of them here. I did one, and then this is the one where the bobbin ran out. Still got these 4 to do, but look, the pockets, at least the 3D pockets, I think that's what they're called. Those are done on the front, and then I did them on the back also. Now, for reference, I added 6 inches to my length because these pants were short. I still have to do the pocket on the back of the pants, but the zipper's done, and I did do the fly facing. You have to download that separately, but it came out really nice. Yep. So we're stopping there, and we'll pick it back up tomorrow after I get off of work. All right, that's it for tonight. All right, folks, it's that time that I have been waiting for. Here is the try on, and I should have clipped my mic to me so I could be hands free. But, oh, how is this going to work? Okay. All right. Pants is looking good. I still have to sew up the little bottom part, but let me tell you, I'm not mad at the fit of these cargo pants. They are doing what I think needs to be done. Okay. And if I can, this is not working out at all. Okay. Can y'all see? The peach is looking good. So, of course, I don't have the waistband on. That's why I'm struggling to keep them up because the little fold over part is not in place. But I think I am loving the fit. And I added 6 inches to the length. Thank you very much for the tall girls. Make sure you lengthen your pants. That's the beautiful thing about sewing. But yes, I plan on possibly wearing these with heels. I'm not really sure because you can snatch the bottom up. You put I think we have to do a casing and a drawstring, and then that'll draw it up, obviously. But I've seen a lot of the girlies, they do these pants and they keep them wide legs. So obviously that is an option. So, I mean, pockets galore. I seriously doubt I'm going to put anything in these pockets, but they're super cute to have. I mean, you can never have too many pockets, and you know how they do us ladies with pockets. We don't get any. So, Kichi B, Marcia made sure we had pockets for days.
Work it, girl.